Hi Prepsters, this is Ola with Pandemic Prepsters, bringing you a emergency light in a mason jar. All right, let's find out why this is such a great tip. If the lights go down and you are in darkness, you simply reach underneath your bathroom sink where I have one of these mason jars filled with my whole little kit, and I light them, and then I can keep one on the lid and take one with me. So why don't you come find out how I make these? All right, I'm going to show you how quick and easy these are to make. First, I get some matches. I got these at the Dollar Tree. There was 2 big packs for $1. And then I got these candles, and you can find them in a number of places. I got these at the 99-cent store for $1.99. And then of course you need some mason jars. If you don't have mason jars, I like these small ones. But if you don't, then get a glass jar. This was a spaghetti sauce jar, excuse me. So let me show you how quick and easy these are to do. I literally place them like this, get a bunch of matches, oops, and I fill it up. And then I put my lid on, which I don't have one here. So, and I then place one under each of my bathroom sinks. You can also put one in your kitchen. You can, even if you have an office or anything like that, keep one in your drawer at your office, even at work. So there you go, quick and easy from the pandemic. Don't forget to like, to share, and to give us a big thumbs up. And make sure you add emergency light mason jar to your emergency preparedness.